Vancouver's December market update.
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Welcome everyone, it's sunny in Van, where Vancouver real estate truly shines. On this episode, we're going to be going through some charts and graphs that outline the medium sales prices of detached homes, apartments, and townhomes. We're also going to look at the medium listing price, the price per square feet, how many days on market a property sits, as well as how many units have sold last month. Now, this is December's market update, and we're going to be reviewing our latest data that we do get from Stats Center, which is of November of 2023. This is going to help you see the trend that the real estate market is headed towards in December when we look at historical data. But before we get on to the show, disclaimer alert. The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. This is not financial or professional advice. With that being said, let's get on with the show. All right, everyone, we are here at Stats Center, brought to you by the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver. We have Vancouver in green, Vancouver East in the blue, North Vancouver in the orange, and Burnaby in the purple magenta. We're going to start off with all property types, and we're going to go with the home price index here, the listing price currently. We'll go to sales prices. We're going to go to days on market, price per square feet, and we'll go into new listings as well as sales. And we're going to go through all property types first, detached, then apartment, and then the townhouse. So let's get right to it. So we're at the home price index, and we're looking for all property types right now. Vancouver, you're at 1.282 million, up by 6.5% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at 1.2 million, up by 7.2% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at 1.37 million, up by 3.4% compared to last year. And Burnaby is at 1.06 million, up by 3.8% compared to last year. Now let's go to medium sales prices of homes, and these are all property types. So Vancouver, as of 2023 of November, is at $1,040,000, which is down by 1% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at 1.153 million, down by 0.1% compared to last year. North Vancouver, all property types, is at 1.34 million, up by 23.8% compared to last year. That is an incredible gain. Burnaby is at 832,000, up by 0.9% compared to last year. Now that was the medium sales prices. Let's see how long it takes to sell a home. In Vancouver, it takes 20 days. Vancouver East is 16 days. North Vancouver is 14 days, and Burnaby is 25 days. Price per square feet. Vancouver is $1,055 per square feet and has gone up by 5.8% compared to last year. Vancouver East is $931 per square foot and is up by 5.2% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at $893, up by 5.8% compared to last year. And Burnaby is at $861, up by 13.7% compared to last year. Now let's see all of new listings. As of November 2023, Vancouver had 1,083 new listings. Vancouver East had 406 new listings. North Vancouver had 261 new listings, and Burnaby had 378 new listings. As for sales of November 2023, Vancouver had 491 sales, Vancouver East had 174 sales, North Vancouver had 155 sales, and Burnaby had 218 sales. Now that is as of November of 2023. That is all property types. We're going to go back to 10 years and we're going to go to detached homes and we're going to go through this all over again. So we're at the HPI price for detached homes as of November of 2023. Vancouver is at 2.6 million, up by 10.5% compared to last year. Vancouver is at 1.868 million, up by 8.9% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at 2.2 million, up by 3.7% compared to last year. And Burnaby's at 2.075 million, which is up by 7.1% compared to last year. Now that was the HPI price. And now let's move over to medium sales price of November 2023. And let's get right to this. Vancouver is at 2.3 million, down by 2.5% compared to last year. Vancouver East holding very strong at 1.926 million, up by 13.5% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at 2.1%. Let's say that again. North Vancouver is at 2.1 million, up by 9.1% compared to last year. And Burnaby is at 1.9 million, down by 2.3% compared to last year. Now let's go to days on market. Vancouver took 18 days to sell. Vancouver East took 16 days to sell. North Vancouver took 13 days to sell, and Burnaby took 19 days to sell. Price per square feet in Vancouver for detached homes is $969 per square foot, up by 5.3% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at $874 per square foot, up by 13.8% compared to last year. That is a gain. North Vancouver is at $847 per square foot, up by 9.7% compared to last year. And Burnaby is at $698, down by 0.6% compared to last year. New listings as of November 2023. Vancouver had 211, Vancouver East had 116, North Vancouver had 81, and Burnaby had 57. When it comes to sales of last month of November 2023, Vancouver had 114 sales, Vancouver East had 59 sales, North Vancouver had 55, and Burnaby had 37. Now that is your detached homes. We're going to go to apartments, and let's go back to the HPI price, and let's start off with Vancouver. Vancouver at $803,000, up by 4.6% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at $705,000, up by 4% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at $804,000, and it is up by 5.5% compared to last year. And Burnaby's at $775,000, up by 5.6% compared to last year. Let's go to medium sales price as of November 2023. Vancouver is at $765,000, up by 5.5% compared to last year. Vancouver East at $661,000, up by 7.3% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at $770,000, down by 4.3% compared to last year. Burnaby is at $735,000, up by 9.3% compared to last year. Let's go to days on market. It took Vancouver 21 days to sell, Vancouver East 16 days to sell, North Vancouver 13 days to sell, and Burnaby 25 days to sell. Median price per square feet as of November 2023, Vancouver is at $1,065, which is up by 4.8% compared to last year. Vancouver East is $950 per square foot, up by 5.7% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at $971, up by 6.9% compared to last year. And Burnaby at $927, up by 14% compared to last year. Now let's move on to new listings. Vancouver has 665 new listings, Vancouver East 151, North Vancouver 131, and Burnaby at 262. That is new listings of apartments. Now let's go to sales. Vancouver had 302 sales as of last month, November of 2023. Vancouver East at 77, North Vancouver at 67, and Burnaby at 143. Let's move over to townhomes. The HPI price. Vancouver, as of November 2023, is $1.324 million, went up by 4% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at $1.1 million, up by 6.6% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at $1.357 million, up by 8.8% compared to last year. And Burnaby's at $942,000, at 6.5% increase compared to last year, and that is townhouses. Let's go to medium sales price of November 2023. Vancouver's at $1.286 million, up by 2.9% compared to last year. Vancouver's at $1.1 million, up by 5.2% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at $1.377 million, up by 15.3% compared to last year. That is a great increase. Burnaby's at $907,000, up by 1.7% compared to last year. Days on market to sell a townhouse in November 2023. Vancouver, 19 days. Vancouver East, 14 days. North Vancouver, 14 days. And Burnaby, 25 days. Let's go to price per square feet. The median price per square feet of November 2023. Vancouver's at $1,063, which is up by 13.8% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at $923 per square foot, up by 17%. Wow, that is an incredible increase. North Vancouver is at $836, up by 9.4% compared to last year, and Burnaby is at $729 price per square foot, up by 6.9% compared to last year. Now, townhomes, it looks like everything had a pretty good gain, especially Vancouver East. Now, for new listings as of November 2023, townhomes in Vancouver, 94, Vancouver East, 37, North Vancouver, 44, and Burnaby at 51. Sales as of November 2023, there were 48 townhomes sold in Vancouver, 15 in Vancouver East, 30 in North Vancouver, and 28 in Burnaby. Now, this is all the information that we have that we're showing, and I just want to go back to sales price of detached homes. And as you can see, from October to November, there was a steep decline for Vancouver, an increase for North Vancouver, a decrease for Vancouver East, and a decrease for Burnaby. And that is going from October to November. But if we went all the way back to October 2022, going into November, it looked like there was a decrease. And then from November of 2022 going into December 2022, it looks that like majority of these went down as well, except for Vancouver East looks like it had a little bit of an increase. If we go to apartments and we see the trend right now, October to November, it looks like North Vancouver went down. It looks like Vancouver went down, and it looks like Vancouver East has gone down. Burnaby, out of all these from October 2023, has gone up in November of 2023. But if we go all the way back to October of 2022, going into then November, let's move this mouse here so we can see a little bit easier. So we got October going into November. It looks like some of these did go up. When you look at North Vancouver, that was a very impressive increase. Look at that, from 655,000 all the way up to 805,000. So that is a phenomenal increase. However, it looks like Vancouver went down from October to November. So did Burnaby, as well as Vancouver East. It was only looks like North Vancouver went up when we look at that historical data. And if we look at townhomes, it looks like Vancouver East has gone slightly up, just like Vancouver, but North Vancouver and Burnaby did have a slight decrease, well, a pretty steep decrease as of October 2023 going into November of 2023. But if we go back all the way to October of 2022, and let's move this cruiser down here. So from October 2022 going into November, it looks like Vancouver, North Vancouver, as well as Burnaby and maybe Vancouver East looks like more of a flat line, but everything else looks like it went down. But then from November to December, it looks like everything went up except for Vancouver, the decline. But all other locations look like they went up. Now, this is historical data. We don't know if the data in December is going to go up or down, but it's always good to look at the history of the data, especially over 10 years. As you can see, the investment will grow. We're always looking at a long-term investment, not necessarily a short-term, but that's not saying that you can't realize your gains in a short-term investment. There will be bills and expenses that you would need to fork out of pocket, even though that you do see a profit. You will be paying bills. It could be to realtor fees, lawyer, notary public, mortgage, to just pay that off because you're going to close it off early. Property transfer tax if you're going to buy a new property. There's a lot involved. So if you are interested in buying or selling, make sure you do reach out. All right, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for sticking around. We hope this episode brought you a lot of value. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. All of our information is in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for the latest and greatest real estate news. If you have any questions or if there's anything else that you want us to cover, make sure you comment below. We'll be sure to cover any information that you feel that would bring you value and other people value when it comes to real estate. If you're interested in investments, selling your home, or buying your dream home, feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, Sunny out.